See, it's right here, look. This is it. This is the place I've been telling you about.
It's new, right?
It's new. And it's all Vietnamese food, very authentic. The ladies are, this ought to be fun. All right, guys, Chef Ernie here. I'm with my buddy V, right? This is her restaurant. It's called V Pho, right? And she is Vietnamese, and this is as authentic as you get, right?
I can't wait. It
That's
smells
it.
so good.
It smells so great in here, and we love this kind of food. So you're gonna cook something up for us, V? Yeah, let's do it. Woo! Let's do it, V. What you got? We're gonna do some fried rice, baby. Everything's cooked fresh to order. Everything's just done right when you sit down, you order it, they cook it right up for you, baby. Some good white yellow onion right there. Can't have fried rice without onion, right? Where I come from, they say onion. Onion. Come on, come on.
Chicken and beef and sausage and ham.
Woo, look at that. Go ahead with it. Go ahead with it, B. Oh, that's my girl right here, Miss B. Look at it go. Now, Hot Boy, you got to get over here and come try some of this, right? This is unbelievable. Look at that. Oh, man. You're speaking my language over here. Smells great. It really does. Now she's going in with some white rice. She's going to saute that down. Stir fry, baby. Soy sauce. Eggs. Woo, baby. Green onion. Great, so fresh too, right? Look at that. It's all about the fresh ingredients, right? And you just gotta work it, just fry it all together, and all those flavors just coming together. So you see, it's not just hot in one spot, it's cooking evenly all around. Garlic. Gotta have a little garlic in there. The international spice, garlic. Good job, huh? My goodness gracious. Oh, look at this, B. Look at this, guys. Wow, huh? Look at that. Man, can we try it? Come on, Rick, you want to try it? Cheers, cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's so good.
Dude, that's the best fried rice I ever had, ever.
It's so good.
Whoa.
Like, no more.
B, I love you, baby.
Okay.
AYEEE. All right.